Hey guys, getting the griddle ready. Gonna cook some tilapia and some shark. So let's get this thing going. I fire it up on high and then lower it down to about medium heat for this fish. So let me finish getting this ready and we'll be right back. Thanks. All right, here we go. We got the shark and the tilapia. So let's do this. Need a spot. For each one, I'm going to put a little puddle of oil. This will be the shark side over here. This is the tilapia side over here. Got the grill about medium heat, which is about, at least for me, it's 3 to 350. The tilapia is super skinny, so that's going to be done pretty quick, I imagine. So right now, nothing's been done to either of them, except the shark has been soaking in milk since 10 a.m. It's now 7, so about 9 hours. Just going to do a little pepper. And I forgot my salt or garlic. What if my helper can get my salt? So, also what I'm going to do, put a tab of butter on each. You know, the butter that's melting here on my pan. So this works out. Also got some onions. Oh, this one only gets a little bit of onion. I'm going to take some a little bit of lemon. I can tell they're already starting to get pretty crispy. I've never done these before, so we'll see how things go here. It's like I'm a card dealer. Card dealer, not car dealer. Just use the rest of my butter up because it's just going to melt on my thing anyway. Butter and bacon, you can never go overboard with either one. Melt off, you. What if my helper can get me my spatulas too? Somebody wasn't ready for this. Just want to make sure that these aren't sticking. Yeah, they're pretty good so far. You can see they're starting to get darker in color. Just move them around a little bit. I'll flip them here in a minute once I get my spatulas. So again, we have tilapia on this side, shark on this side. Got some salt now. So the reason you want to soak the shark in milk is gets rid of that ammonia taste. So sharks pee through their skin, and this helps to get rid of that. that awesome taste. Just turn these down a tiny bit. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Again, I've never done fish on a griddle, so this is a new thing. Thank you. All right. So now, let me scoot some of these off here. Let's see how they're doing on, yeah, see, there you go. Turning white. See how these guys are doing. Be a little more careful with these guys. Oh, look at that. It's looking pretty good. Got everything kind of marinating around. Just scoot him a little bit so he's near his friends. Whoop, you didn't get your, I'll put you under there a little bit. All right, let me work on this a little bit and we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. So we've been on this side for a little while now. Just gonna flip them again. Everything's looking pretty good. Nothing's falling apart that much. There's one over here that's kind of falling apart a little bit, but let's see what I can do here. Oh, that one fell apart a little more. Trying to be careful. So it looks like they all want to lose that little piece. Yep, that didn't work out. So the shark is from New Jersey. My brother-in-law just came back from a jet skiing trip down there and he hit a local market. The tilapia is just from Wegmans. You can get it in, you got like an 8-pack. So it's all flash frozen. Thawed it overnight in the fridge. So these are probably getting there. I can feel they're getting pretty tough. Not tough, you know what I mean. A little more. The shark, it's pretty thick. So I'm gonna keep going on that. The tilapia might be done. I'm gonna give it another couple minutes here and see how it goes. These pieces are probably done. Why don't I put them up in the corner? These little pieces. All right, so let me finish up here and we'll see you guys inside. A little more pepper. Tilapia's coming out a little better than the shark, I think. We'll see. See you inside. All right, here we go. So we got the shark here, tilapia here, a little bit of rice from the Instant Pot. What should I try first? Here comes the shark. That's pretty good. Nice screwdriver. Tilapia. That was awesome. You guys gotta try this. Hit subscribe, like, share this out. But yeah, you guys definitely need to try this. If you do, comment, let me know how it went. Thanks again. We'll see you.